Hi guys, I'm Tanya, a fashion designer. Today I want to tell you about my new t-shirt. You can make it yourself in just a couple of hours. This is how it all started. First came the sketch and the idea. Then I moved everything into CLO 3D. Do you use CLO 3D too? Let me know in the comments. I have a couple of questions I'd love to discuss with you. And this is what the finished t-shirt is supposed to look like. Here are some real photos of the finished t-shirt on a real person. As you can see, it turned out exactly the way I planned it. I put a lot of work into perfecting my patterns so the fit is just right. These are digital PDF sewing patterns, available on my Etsy shop. I'll add the link in the description below. It comes as a complete set: patterns, descriptions, and instructions. It's especially helpful for beginners because every step is clearly explained: what to do first, what comes next, and how everything goes together. The pattern comes in 4 basic sizes. Take a look at this size chart and see which one fits you best. You can print the pattern as usual on A4 or US letter paper using a regular home printer or on A0 paper with a plotter. Whatever works best for you. Personally, I prefer using a plotter. It's much more convenient when it comes to assembling and working with the pattern. Now let's talk about fabric. This is important. The fabric should be stretchy so it can hug the body and create a nice fitted look. I also recommend using a fabric blend, something with a bit of synthetic fiber and a bit of natural fiber. That way, the t-shirt will hold its shape well, feel comfortable against the skin, and be pleasant to wear. As I mentioned earlier, a detailed step-by-step guide is included with the pattern. Even experienced sewists can find it helpful from time to time, and beginners would have a really hard time without it. As you can see, we've got everything covered. Here's a list of all the pattern pieces included in the project, so you can keep track of everything and make sure nothing gets lost or mixed up. Seam allowances are not included in the pattern. These are the base pattern pieces. You'll need to add the seam allowances to the fabric before cutting. That's an important detail, so don't forget about it. And don't forget about proper pattern layout. It can save you quite a bit of fabric. Here's an example of a layout for fabric that's 150 centimeters, 60 inches wide. With this t-shirt, you'll have something truly unique. You'll be the only one wearing it. Personally, I don't like looking like everyone else in mass market clothes. I really value individuality and beauty. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you subscribe to the channel, you'll always stay up to date with my latest designs and new patterns. It was great seeing you. I'll start working on a new idea soon. Bye for now.